Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have got a little progress done on the GT40. Got the windows in. I have to have those in before I can do my dirtying up of it, because obviously the windows will be dirty as well. So I taped off my windows, painted a black trim around them all. I thought that just would look better. Got them all glued in. Got my windshield wiper where it will have the windshield wiper marks. I've got it taped off. So that is taped, so when I dirty it to pull that off, then that's clean. And I used my windshield wiper to make the mark, so I knew exactly where it was going to be. But I have mixed up some, let's see if I can get this focus on there, some ceramic charcoal colored water-based, acrylic paint. And I'm just going to try to put that in my airbrush and mist it on here. That's what I'm going to try. I've never done this, but we're going to give it a shot and see how it turns out. If it doesn't look good, I'll just wash it off, because it's water-based. This is clear coated, and it's not going to stick. So if it looks bad, I'll just go outside and give her a bath. But let me see if I can't get some of this sprayed on there, and we'll see what it looks like. Stand by. Alright, so I jumped the gun a little bit. I was about to do the nasty it up, and I got to thinking, dang, I ain't got the headlight lenses in it, the blinkers, shoot, I didn't have the rear back here. I got rear, I got my tail lights and the photo etch back here. I got to paint the tail lights, but anyway, I was like, wow, I ain't got not everything in here to dirt. I can't dirty it up and have like clean headlight lenses. So got all that in now, and now I think I can officially go dirty it up. So, and I also black washed the wheels, and I will dirty them up separately, but I did black wash the wheels. They look really nice. There you go. Got the knockoffs on it, and got them black washed. So we will nasty those up. And so I got these lenses in, tail lights. I don't even know if I had the chassis in it earlier. I didn't. I was like, well, ain't the chassis gonna get dirty too, Matthew? So now now I'll dirty it up. Okay, stand by. Alright, so I got her all filled up and ready to go. So hesitant on doing this. It seems so counterintuitive to make a body look so good and then try to make it look nasty. And oh well, it's what we gonna do. So here, and the air compressor may turn on in the middle of this. I apologize if it does. So I got her taped to here. Hopefully it won't fall off. I want to hold it back as far as I can and just start nastying it up. I don't know if my effect is going to look genuinely right. Or not. And I don't just want to like spray paint the windows. I just want to make it look dirty. Like she's been out front. Or maybe run a second to get really dirty. So I think what I'll do, I'm going to do this, get it good and nasty, and I think I'm just going to put some just water in the gun and try to smear it a little bit. So I'll pour this back in my cup, let me clear it, and then I'll put some blue. Yeah, I'm not using water, I'm using a windshield wiper cleaner. Let's see what happens now. Just kind of wet it up. There we go. Oh yeah, I think I'm getting the look that I wanted. Get that paint now kind of wet. There it is. So I think I kind of got the look I was going for. Just dirty, road grimed. It rained during the 24-hour race, and this is like 22 in, or maybe this is the end of the race. But just as dirty as can be. I'm going to take the tape off so it look like the windshield wipers were working. I've got to put the wiper on the fuel caps. They go, one goes right there, see it? Get that on. Exhaust tips have to go on, and I'll also dirty up the bottom. But that's kind of what I was looking for. I might take a wet Q-tip and try to address a few issues that don't look too realistic, kind of like that right there, maybe a little bit. But other than that, I think that looks pretty darn good. Sorry. I think that looks good. So I'll dirty up my tires and the underside, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. What you think? Yeah, kind of weird. Painted up, man. The clear it looks so awesome. Those decals look so wonderful. My first job, and I was so proud of it. Oh well, I could have done a terrible job. Make it look like this. It doesn't really matter. But all right, so let me do a little touch-ups and be right back. All right, guys, here it is, all finished up and dirty, and hopefully not too dirty. But it was a lot of fun. So I was like, how about a little more here, a little more here? But no, it looks really good. I think it looks just what I was wanting it to look like. It was an extremely nasty day at Le Mans, or Le Mans. Let me get that. Let me say it both ways. It was an extremely nasty day at Le Mans. Let me start over. It was an extremely nasty day at Le Mans. I'll let you be the judge which one sounds right. But anyway, yeah, I got it all done. I think it turned out pretty darn neat. It's what I was going for. I tried to do little details like over the windshield there, the marks where the unit was blowing over. I took a brush and did some touched up a little bit with the dry brush, and I think it looks cool. Again, it's kind of a shame to do such a nice paint job just to literally spray dirty water all over it, but that's what I did. But I think it came out just how I wanted it to. I couldn't ask for anything any different. I tried to make each side a little different. There was a lot of debris that came out of that scoop there. I don't know why, but it was, while I was doing it, I'm like, oh, let me just put a little more on this side. But anyway, yeah, so I think that the small details kind of make it when people see it, and see that there are, the window was, they tried to clean the windows off for him so you could see out the side windows. Obviously had a windshield wiper there in the front, so he didn't need the fronts cleaned. I did try to clean the front window a little bit, but it didn't want to, I didn't want it to look too cheesy. So I think it just turned out great. I want to thank my friend George Oppenheim for sending me this kit, and it was an absolute pleasure to build. Fujimi kits are super nice. That's photo etched right here. This is photo etched metal. So the photo etch really makes it look great. The underside is just blank, but I did do some dry brushing and some dirtying that up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I did, and I'll have pictures of it at the end of the video, obviously. And if I go, I've been having a lot of pain with my side where my surgery was at, and I do still plan to go to Roanoke this weekend. Today is, let's see, Monday, what, the 27th, I think. But I do plan on going to Roanoke, and I think I'll carry this with me if I enter anything. But I do think we'll, if we enter, we'll take Ruthie's truck, and we'll probably take this. And I want to have like let it sit on something that says like 24 hours later or something like that as a title below it, because just by looking at a dirty car, some people might not get it. But my theme was I wanted it to look like it had gone through the race, and I think I succeeded with that. So I do appreciate you guys, all the support that you give me. You guys are a great community, and I can't say thank you enough. Again, thank you to George for sending me this kit, as well as several others. But I wanted to start on a Le Mans build. I'll take this to Acme, I think. I'm not necessarily thinking that it would like make it up on as a top 10 or anything like that, but it's just a cool build and a cool theme. So hey, if you guys don't mind, give this video a thumbs up like that right there. And if you hadn't subscribed, hit the subscription button. Check out Hobby Nut Models, where this paint came from. I painted this with the Tamiya color and a custom color I mixed, and then I didn't even realize it, but Mark from Hobby Nut, he texted me and he said, you know, you probably actually have the Ford color for that, and I probably do, but anyway, it was after the fact. So a big thank you to Mark over at Hobby Nut for supporting my channel in the way that he does. For you guys that participate in the Facebook group, thank you so much. If you hadn't gone to the Facebook group or hadn't joined, go check it out. Model Car Videos Facebook group. It's linked in the description, as well as the Spring Store and the Patreon group. I encourage you to go check out all the things linked in the description below. But most importantly, guys, thanks for watching this video and just supporting me in that way. So I'll take some pictures now, and hopefully see you guys in Roanoke. But anyway, alright, so thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.